Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another weekly plan with me. This one is in my Fauxbonichi using the movie night kit. This kit is available on Saturday. So this is kind of a sneak preview of it. There's the first sheet, and the second sheet, and the third sheet. It's kind of got this comic book kind of pop arty type style to it. I'm going to stick with the similar layout as what I've been using the last couple of weeks because it's been working, so I don't really want to change it up. Okay, right, I'm going to stop talking and get sticking. Okay, so here's my final spread. I have days of the week, little flags to show my husband's shifts. I need to fill those in from the board. They're up on our kitchen wall at the minute. A couple of things that I know are definitely on this week. I have 3-star checklists to give me 3 priorities for each day. Then I have my meals, to-do list, my habits, which are reading and working out, box for my new releases. Then I have 2 checklists for jotting down ideas for the shop, things that I'd like to achieve during the week. Then we have spaces for memories at the bottom, or some kind of gratitude spread, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Click the like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Okay, so new releases for this week are my movie night kit. So this is the full kit. This is made for the Erin Condren Life Planner, but it also fits kind of happy planners and other planners like that. And each of these sheets is available a la carte as well. So this is the full boxes. And little things, check boxes, half boxes, the date covers and the bottom washi, the deco and the headers. It's also available as a mini / bullet journal kit, and this is the type of kit that I use in my own bullet journal. So there's the first page and the second page and the third page and the final page. And finally, it's available as a Hobo Weeks kit. So we have 1 page, 2 pages, and 3 pages. So all of those will be available on Saturday. Bye!